Seed lists, the secret weapon for increased email deliverability. Warmy blog. Email deliverability is tough, often hampered by spam filters. This article highlights seed lists as a key solution, offering insights to improve inbox placement and boost campaign success. Discover how seed lists can elevate your email marketing. Seed lists are email addresses added to your mailing list to monitor delivery and appearance. They act as your eyes and ears in the inbox. How seed lists work. You create a seed list, include it in your campaign, and then check if the emails arrive, where they land, and how they look. It's like having undercover agents reporting back on your email's journey. Seed lists come in 3 forms: personal, professional, and ISP specific. Personal is DIY. Professional is comprehensive but costly, and ISP specific focuses on troubleshooting. Combining them helps optimize email performance and impact. The importance of seed lists in email marketing. 1. Seed lists provide real-time insights into email delivery, helping you spot issues early and track trends over time. 2. Seed lists help identify inbox placement issues by revealing if your emails end up in spam, where they land, primary inbox or promotions, and how different ISPs handle them. 3. It tests how emails render across different clients and devices, ensuring they look good on all platforms and mobiles. They help spot formatting issues and optimize for better open rates and engagement. Seed lists improve inbox placement by up to 25%, help you detect and fix issues early, provide insights into ISP behaviors, and allow you to troubleshoot email problems quickly. They turn email marketing into a data-driven process, enhancing open rates and RO. To create an effective seed list, include a mix of major providers like Gmail and Outlook, along with less common ones. Use both personal and professional accounts, such as business emails and role-based addresses, to cover different deliverability challenges. Regularly update your list by auditing quarterly, removing inactive addresses, and adding new providers. Creating your seed list. Quick guide. Start with 20-30 diverse addresses from major providers. Add personal accounts and consider a professional service. Test your list, adjust based on results, and regularly update it. A well-maintained seed list provides valuable insights and improves your email campaigns. Warmy.io simplifies creating and managing seed lists. Its email seed list feature streamlines the process and enhances email deliverability, saving you time and effort. Warmy.io simplifies seed lists with 2 lists, 1,600 plus Gmail and 500 plus Outlook addresses. Integrate them into your email client, run a test campaign, and analyze the results. This helps you optimize email performance and improve deliverability. Warmy.io's email warm-up service boosts deliverability by simulating real interactions to build your sender reputation. It helps establish trust with ISPs, gradually increase sending volume, and improve inbox placement. Combine this with seed lists for optimal results. Thanks for watching. For more insights, visit Warmy.io and don't forget to like and subscribe.